Okay, guys, so let us now move on to 2.2. And I know this is one of the most hard to comprehend section for most students. I know, guys, I know. Now, calculate the value of, then we've got the sigma notation, r of 2 ngezansi, infinity there on top. Then we've got this expression la, plus siphinde sibe no sigma notation, sibe no r of 2, sibe no 12 laphana phezulu, then 3 times 2 exponent 1 minus r. Nje, I know it looks complicated. Bese give your answer to 3 decimal places. Okay, so ake ngizama ukuyichaza lento le ngolimi lakho because la ngenhla sesi-introduce i-concept to calculate i-sum. So nala sesaqhutshekwa ne-sum ke, but what's the difference la? Umehluko la ukuthi ke abakunikeza i-sequence. Okay? Kanti la you were given a sequence, but la abakunikeza i-sequence. Bathi ke zitholele wena i-sequence. Bese uthi musu uyitholile i-sequence, bese uthola i-nature yayo ukuthi is it geometric or arithmetic. Okay? So musu uyitholile ukuthi i-geometric noma i-arithmetic, then usuzokhona ke ukukhetha i-formula e-right or i-formula ozoyisebenzisa ke to calculate your sum. Okay? So nje basically roughly that's what this question of sigma notation means. So asizokunika sequence, zitholele wena sequence, emva kokuthi usuyitholile sequence usuzobona ukuthi then yini nature yayo, is it arithmetic or geometric. Musu utholile lokho then usuzoyibuza ukuthi okay ngidingani ukuze ngicalculate isum. So for arithmetic sithe sidinga u-a, u-d no n. For geometric i-ratio no n no a respectively. Okay, but again in this case ke abakubuza isum kuphela, bathi thola isum ngala bese uyihlanganisa nesum ozoyithola ngala. Okay, so the first thing we need to do here ukuthi si generate ke our sequence kuqala, and then I'm going to show you ukuthi we generate kanjani sequence, then only we can go to the second part which is calculation of isum yethu. Okay, so indlela oyidetermine ngayo ke isum yakho wenze njena ke la ubona khona u-r ufika ufake lo-r wakho lo mbona la ezansi. Okay, sinenhlanhla ke because le expression la nela iyafana, so it means vele sequence se-generator la izobe isafana neyangala. So uzofakela u-r othula for iterm yakho yokuqala, and then for iterm yakho ezolandela kulo thulo edu 1, so bese ufakela u3 for iterm yakho elandelayo, uphinde u-add u1 ufakele u4 for iterm elandelayo, kanjalo 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 musa ufuna ukudetermine more and more and more terms. Okay, so sidetermine kanjalo ke sequence yethu. So for iterm yokuqala ke so la sibona khona u-r sofakela u2, so mesifakela u2 na ke shuthi for term 1 wethu sizoba no 3 times u2 exponent 1 minus 2, because u2 is our first number, so ifakela lapha sikwenza r. Bese siba ke no 3 times 2 exponent negative 1, because u1 minus 2 negative 1. And then sikhumbula ke thina from our laws of exponents ukuthi uma ubona inumber raised to an exponent of negative 1, it means kade suka ngezansi as a denominator. So it means bese kade sino 3 over 2 exponent 1. Okay, or kade positive. So our term 1 is 3 over 2. And then for our term 2, okay, sesoqala sesinyusa lezi number lezi ngo1 ke, so sesofakela u3 na ke sikhuleni sikabani sikhuleni sika r. So our term 2 is equal to u3 multiplied by 2 exponent 1 minus 3, which is equal to u3 exponent u3 multiplied by u2 exponent minus 2, because 1 minus 3 ubani u-negative 2. So lento le iyasivezela ukuthi shuthi besikade sino 3 over 2 exponent 2, okay, which was actually equals to 3 over 4. So this is our term 2. And then for our third term, T3 wethu again, so T3 multiplied by 2 exponent 1 minus 4, which is actually equals to 3 multiplied by 2 exponent negative 3. Again, lento shuthi bikade ubani u3 over 2 exponent 3. And then siyazi ukuthi ukuthi 2 exponent 3 ubani loyo u8, because 2 times 2 is 4 times 2 is 8. Shuthi le nto bekade ubani u3 over 8, guys. So sitheni ke sithe all you need is 3 terms to have your sequence. So in this case again, our sequence ihamba kanje. So sinobani sino 3 over 2 is our first term, sibe nobani no 3 over 4 is our second term, sibe nobani no 3 over 8 is our third term. Okay. Now from this here we can therefore work out and see ukuthi nhloboni sequence le and nhloboni sequence le, because vele safana nale ngala. So mesithola ngala then sesobe sisazi ngala. Okay. So why sithola ukuthi nhloboni sequence is because sifuna ukukhetha iformula right yesum, because it's either you can go for arithmetic or go for geometric. Okay. Uzonotice ke guys ukuthi uma ngabe uthi term 2 minus term 1, i-answer ozoyithola la ngeke ifane ne-answer ozoyithola muthi term 3 minus term 2. So kusitshelani ke lokhu na? Kusitshela ukuthi le sequence le akuyona ini i-arithmetic. But however, muthi term 2 divided by term 1, uthole answer efanayo noma uthe term 3 divided by term 2. Okay, and answer yakho etholayo lapho in that case is actually equals to 1 over 2, guys. So therefore automatically sisabona ukuthi lento le esuke siyithola mesenza nje ibizwa nge-common ratio. So sisiyamazi u-Arithmetic vele already ukuthi ubani u1 over 2. Okay, futhi kusobala ukuthi ke ukwenza le problem le sizosebenzisa ama concepts e-geometric sequence a geometric sequence. Okay, so siyakhumbula ke thina ukuthi there's two formulas of calculate sum when it comes to geometric sequence. So the first one is just to calculate your normal sum, okay, which is equals to a into 1 minus r exponent n all over 1 minus r. And then SBili, it's actually your sum to infinity. AT, you have your a all over 1 minus r, guys. Okay, so less answer for sum to infinity, then less is answer for your normal sum. Okay, so I guess bugeke. So the first expression la it's a calculate sum for for a sequence of generator wena to infinite. Okay, and le it calculate sum nje for a sequence of generator wena to n esizobala ke here basically esokhombisana ukuthi ubalwa kanjani, but la it's not to infinity. So it means for isum yala so sebenzisa le yokuqala, okay, and then for isum yangala ngaka left so sebenzisa le yesibili. So lo mbuzo lo uthi ke thatha isum to infinity uyihlanganise nesum to basically that 12 respectively. Okay, so sitheni ke so sobala ke la ukuthi ukuze sidetermine ke isum sidingane ke sidinga a number 1, so we need to a, okay, our a needs to be known. Sidinga bani? Sidinga r, so r wethu siyodinga futhi naye, and then besidinga bani? N futhi as well, so n must be known. Okay, and then fortunately ke la when it comes to sum to infinity n awudingeki, but when it comes to that one on top n uyadingeka. So how do you calculate ke n respectively if kuguthi you are given expression yakho ye sigma notation? So what you do is you basically say your top figure there subtracting your bottom figure plus 1. Okay, so your n is equal to top minus the bottom, okay, right, plus 1. Okay, so top figure there ubani u 12 minus your bottom figure there is 2 plus 1, which is equal to 11. So basically la lo mbuzo uthi ke calculate your sum to 11 terms, okay, for a sequence also a generator. So sibonile ukuthi sitheme si generator le sequence le sabona ukuthi ini i geometric sequence. Okay, so akasenze ke guys, so it means the answer lana will be equals to so thatha ke isum to infinity sihlanganise nani ne sum to 11 terms of a geometric. So basically so thatha le yanto. So in other words, to work this out, so bano a, okay, so to work this out, so bano a over 1 minus r sim-ede kubani? Sim-ede ku a into u1 minus r exponent n all over u1 minus r. So a wethu ke guys siyamazi a wethu ukuthi ubani u-a wethu u3 over 2 because u-a wethu uyi-first term. So a wethu u3 over 2. So la sibona khona u-a sofaka bani u3 over 2. So sikwenza a sothi nje 3 over 2, okay, all over 1 minus, and then r wethu siyamazi r wethu ukuthi ubani u-half. That is our ratio, okay, plus, and then ngala sifake lo a wethu la sibona khona u-a wethu siyamazi ukuthi ubani u3 over 2 into 1 minus u-r wethu siyamazi ukuthi ubani u1 over 2, then all this will be raised to a power of u-n wethu, then n wethu sithe ubani u11 nango simtholile because this side ngala li expression yalo mbuzo ngala. So sifake lo 11 lapha as our exponent all over 1 minus, and then r wethu ubani u-half, guys. Okay, so if you do your bomb this nicely, and if you punch your calculator nicely, you'll find your sum here being equal to 5,999. Okay, so this brings us to the end of our question 2. I do challenge you guys at home to actually retry this problem, retry this question, erase everything, and then try and start from your first question all the way to the end. Okay, until we meet again, guys, in our next question.